Hello everyone, welcome to Palmistry and Face Reading channel. Please see all the previous videos so that you will better understand this subject. Previous video we have seen about health line. In this video we shall see about other auxiliary lines like Griddle of Venus, Ring of Saturn, bracelets, intuition line. Now, Griddle of Venus. This line is found as semicircle rising between middle finger and ring finger. If the griddle is present in palm, clear, full or broken in pieces, these type of people are highly sensitive in temperament. They will change their mood fastly. At one time full enthusiastic and another moment dull. One moment highly spirit, next moment lower spirit. So if this is present in palm, such people have to understand themselves and take precautions and practicing mind tranquility, that is stable mind in moods. Then chance of disappearing of this line. If this line is not present means it is a good sign no such nature is present. Changing the line by changing yourself is very tough task. Is with high dedication you have to follow. Then only you will succeed in that. Ring of Saturn. It is located as semicircle below the middle finger. This also not good sign. These persons whose palm it is found will rarely get success. This line is cutting to fate line and will form. Mostly these people have big ideas and plans, but in executing they will leave them in halfway or unfinished. So it's better not to have such a ring of Saturn on Saturn mount. Bracelets. These are present at the wrist area. If they are clearly formed, then such people take good responsibility and they maintain good health also. If these lines are not clear, forming chain like such people doesn't take responsibility, weak health also. If these lines, if anybody have these three clear lines, then they wear ornaments fully. Now line of intuition. This is found as vertical semicircle at mount of moon. This line is present clearly means then such people have keenly observes all surroundings and feelings. These people also observes the events before happening. I mean like sixth sense. They will get more dreams, they predict future happenings. Very few people have this line. If both palms present this line means they have more intuition power. If present in left means subconscious mind have that power. If present in right palm means their conscious mind has its power. For your information, in my left palm this line has present and in right hand it is not fully clear. That's why this subject attracted me from my early age. Many times when I am emotional, anything comes to my subconscious mind, they have happened. They have happened even in negative also and positive also. Not only in my life, but other people's also my subconscious mind thoughts have come true. I was surprised to see such incidences. Then I reduced thinking negative side of other people. Then then it then started thinking positive of other people much than negative. Then positive happened to them. Just I have shared my experience about this line of intuition. Okay friends, now we shall see few tips of face reading. We shall see about benevolence. This means sympathy, generosity, charity, love of giving to others, goodwill, kindness and love of mankind. This sign is present in face at lower lip. If the lower lip is round, fully rolling red and moistured, then they have the benevolence nature. If the lower lip is thin and dry means not benevolent person. If this nature is excess means such people are kind hearted to all people and they neglect one's own life and their own people near to them. They cannot judge people correctly. They have love to all the people. If this is deficiency means then thin and dry lower lips, then they have hard nature, indifferent and inhuman nature, selfish regardless of the sufferings of others. They can judge people without any attachment to others. Many judges have this type of lips. Based on the lower lip thickness, the percentage of judgment and charity can be decided. This you can learn by observing different people's lips who have similar lower lip. Okay friends, how is the video? Hope you have learned some knowledge. Next video, I will share still some more interesting topics. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Please do watch my other videos also. If you want to contact me through Telegram group, details given in the description. Thank you for watching this video.